Prime Minister Narendra Modi said M. Venkaiah Naidu's witty one-liners were revered and never countered, and hailed his highly productive 5-year term as Vice President of India and Rajya Sabha Chairman. 2 days before Naidu demits office, the Rajya Sabha bade him farewell with Modi leading the House. Union Home Minister Amit Shah arrived here at the Biju Patnaik International Airport on a 2-day visit to Odisha, during which he will attend the 75th anniversary function of an Odia daily and launch a book on Prime Minister Narendra Modi, among other programs. The 81st death anniversary of Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore was observed today at Brookside Railbong, Shillong. Chief Justice of Meghalaya High Court Sanjeev Banerjee attended the program as the chief guest. With 16,167 new coronavirus infections being reported in a day, India's total tally of COVID-19 cases rose to 4,41,61,899 on Sunday. The death toll has climbed to 5,26,730. Meghalaya recorded 16 new cases against 36 recoveries. Medal rush continues for India at the Commonwealth Games. Boxers Nikhat Zareen, Amit Pangal and Neetu Kangas grabbed gold medals yesterday, while Eldhose Paul bagged yellow medal in triple jump. Sagar Alawan got silver in the men's 92 kg super heavyweight boxing category.